website. Okay, so here you see here that I have been able to mine about 0.5 LTC right here now in my account, and I'll be drawing it here now live in front of everyone. Okay, so to withdraw, I'll just have to come up here now and click on this withdraw button right here now, and I'll be choosing the crypto which I want to withdraw, which is of course Litecoin. Okay, and let's go get my Litecoin address from Trust Wallet. Okay, this is my Litecoin address. I just have to copy it out, and let's go back to the site. Sorry for that. Let's go back to the site, and I'll be dropping the wallet address right here now, and I'll be withdrawing everything here, which is 0.5215 LTC. Okay, so now let me just click withdraw. Okay, success. So I'll just have to wait for them to process this payment. Alright, so once I receive this payment, guys, I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so this happens to be my last payment, which was 0.3532 LTC. Okay, so I have already received this one here right now, and I'll just have to wait for them to process this payment. Okay, so once I get this payment, guys, I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so please do watch to the end and don't skip any part of this video. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So guys, I have just received my payment of 0, and I come down here now, and you see here that the withdrawal status here now says completed. Alright, you can see it right here now. Okay, so now let's head over to my Trust Wallet account, guys, and I'll show you guys the payment over there. Okay, and if I pull down this notification, you see here that it is saying here that I received 0.51